Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am creating the easiest, simplest eyeshadow look for deep set eyes. You will only need one shade, actually just your bronzer, and one brush to create this look. So if you guys would like to see how it's done, then just keep watching. All right, let's get into this super simple eye look. First, I'm just gonna go in with my Milani bronzer in this silky matte. This is in Sun-Kissed, so it is just a nice, cool bronzer, and this is the bronzer that I will be using on my eyes. So I'm just gonna take this smaller dome contour brush from Real Techniques, and I'm gonna go in and just start, let's get myself a mirror, just buffing it on the outer edge. So it's gonna look really nice using the same color bronzer on your eyes. It just kind of blends through really nicely and just gives you that monochromatic look. And yeah, just if you don't have the perfect kind of taupey bronze color for your transition color, a bronzer will always work. So I think I'm gonna try and get out and do some more Christmas shopping. I have been terrible. I've not been getting it done, and now I'm getting to the point where at first I was doing really good finding things, and then you start finding things for yourself and you just turn into Ariana Grande and you're like, I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. So I'm just gonna try to go and get some things for other people, although there was a jacket that I saw that I might need to pick up, so we shall see. So I'm just gonna contour everywhere with this matte cooler tone bronzer. Now I'm going to go in with Bahama Mama, which has a little bit more warmth to it, still on the matte side. And I'm just going to pop that on top of the contour and up above the contour color. And the honey blonde era for Kim could have not come, hair color, could have not come at a better time for anybody that went copper this late summer or fall, or if you're doing it now, at least you know you don't need to like get back to a white beachy sun-kissed blonde. You can just stick in the honey era for a bit and it is trending. So glad that she chose to do that. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my Becca Brightening Cream. I put some of the Balm Concealer on my eyes already, but this is just going to help with the eye look. It's just a little bit brighter, and I'm just going to stick to the inner corner here and just like right in the on the inner corner under the eye. So this area is just going to pop a bit. You can see the difference there. And just kind of blend that through the socket. And that is going to be kind of like our lid color, because we are just using one shade, one brush for the eye. Such an easy eye look for anybody, especially deep set eyes. It looks so nice and it's so simple. All right, so you can see we have that brightness, that half moon brightness right there, just right in the sockets where it gets really dark. We have that brightness there. So now I'm gonna take my Jaclyn Hill. This one was I think the upper crease brush. So JH35 with the Morphe, Jaclyn Hill Morphe, blah, 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 blah. And my Milani bronzer. And this is kind of just like the perfect shape brush for everything. So we're going to start underneath the eye with it first. And we're going to go to the inner corner, not all the way over to where we put the concealer, the brightening cream. And we're going to come down just a little bit. We're not staying too tight to the eyelash, our eyelash line. We want that warmth under there. In person, it's giving more like liveliness under the eyes. Sometimes the ring light kind of conceals that. And then we're going to just kind of cut to the top. So we're doing like a C. We're creating like a C, almost like a G. We're going all the way around. And just feather it out on the outer corner. Because it's bronzer, you can just go up onto your temple too. But really up on top of the lid, under the eye, it just kind of blends together so nicely and creates such a natural look, and it just works so well for deep set eyes. We're going right under that brow, right there. So we've kind of just circled all the way around. And we're just leaving that inner corner really bright. And it's just the perfect, like, natural eye look. Quick. You're using just tan, soft brown colors to create it. You only need one shadow to create it. You're getting that pop from the inner corner. And it's just, yeah, such an easy look when you don't have time to do your makeup. And just easy to recreate. So I'm not going in the crease, I'm going up on the brow bone and just kind of following along all the way around. You can even go up near your brow on the outside, so you just have a little bit of lightness right here and blend on top. And it's just all blending through seamlessly. You can even go in with a little bit of the Bahama Mama, like a little bit of warm bronzer too, just to blend through, to add a little bit more if you want. This is going to deepen it a little bit more, so I'm just going to stick to the outer corner with the darker bronzer. All right, so I just tightline and put mascara on, and like it's the perfect eye look. It's so easy. Just, you need one brush and a bronzer, and like you're good. So whatever bronzer you're using on your face, use that on your eyes. Looks perfect. So I'm just gonna keep with the bronze look, and I'm gonna go in with my Milani bronzer and just kind of pat that on my lips. Just adding like extra monochromatic look here. And then I'm going to go over with my Prideful lip gloss in the shade Henderson. And that is it. So perfect, so easy, so quick. I hope you guys enjoyed the little tutorial and the look, and will try it out for yourselves and let me know. And thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you guys again in my next video.